AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. Okay. Now we have something which we will talk about related to previous videos which I uploaded yesterday as well. Now before we do all that, if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. You can go and check them out. You can join my free Telegram channel and you can check out brokers and everything. The link which I want to mention is this join the monthly membership. Click on this links and then you go and check the benefits you can get if you join my monthly membership, including some signals of swing trading and my personal setup. Okay, so check out these links and subscribe and like, and let's get back here. So I would recommend you to go and watch video from yesterday of my analysis which I did on all the US dollar pairs. Okay, so yesterday I said in AUDUSD in daily chart, okay, I was expecting either the pullback or the uptrend. Okay, so clearly we are going up. And what does it mean now? Starting with the top down approach, going back to weekly, we are above the EMA. Okay, so this week we will stay up. Normally, let's not tell you everything. Okay, if I tell you everything, then we'll pay me. Anyway, so weekly we are up and then daily coming back. Daily we are 6497 at this point, and 4 hour, what do we have? In 4 hour we have made a new high. Okay, so we're gonna make a new high today, but when I'm recording this video, it's like 2 hours to go before the US market closes on 6th of May. So if you are in Australia or gonna trade AUDUSD on 7th of morning, you need to listen to me. And previous highs are broken. We might take a pullback for a couple of 4 hour time windows. So after 2 hours, we might go down slightly for maybe 4 hour, maybe maximum for 8 hours, but then we'll go back up. Okay. What I have for you is yesterday, if you remember, again, go back and watch my yesterday's videos, because I told you yesterday, I told you that we are expecting the dollar to go down today. Yesterday, I said we are expecting the dollar to go down today, and that's what exactly happened. The dollar did go down today. Okay, that is why from here till here we made a move up. Now today, I also have the same thing. I think dollar is gonna go down tomorrow as well. Okay, that's my understanding. I think dollar is gonna go down tomorrow. And if you want to take a AUDUSD trade, enter buy. Your take profit should be around 6580. You know what? Nobody will tell you that, okay? So right now we are at 6497. I'm telling you, your next profit for tomorrow should be 6580, 0.6580. That's when you should exit out, okay? Or you should wait until that take profit is achieved. Anyway, so nobody else will tell you all this. And if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe and like. And one more thing, when I am recording the video, that's a different time. When you're watching the video, it's a different time. And live trades will be happening at a different time. Okay. So if you want some live action, make sure you check out this membership where I will send you the live signals and the live updates. And if you are absolutely enjoying everything for free, you know what I'm telling you is worth thousands of dollars. So help yourself and share the content with your friends, because this thing matters. First of all, there are not many people on the internet who do this, for free. And first of all, they don't even have the knowledge. Okay, so not many people know what is going on, and even if they know, they will charge you thousands before they tell you anything. Okay, what I have told you since yesterday, since last many days, absolutely free for now. Help yourself. Okay, so again, recap. We're gonna go down as per my understanding. When dollar is gonna go down or up, then there's no analysis needed. Okay. So, yesterday I knew that dollar is going to go down today. So I took my 100 pips in my pair, which I took the trade in the morning. Okay. So I got my 100 pips for today. Tomorrow, I think the same thing is going to happen. We might get another 80 pips, 100 pips for tomorrow as well. So yeah, dollar, as per my understanding, dollar is going to go down tomorrow as well. And that means we have to take that, take the opposite trade. So AUDUSD should be buy and your take profit should be 0.6580. If anybody tells you on the internet that for free, let me know. Okay. So if you think you got what you came for, subscribe, like, and share the video, guys. Okay. Now, I don't know for how long fucking I will be able to do this for free, man. It hurts. It hurts people making free money from my videos, man. I are you making free money? Okay. Anyway, so let's see for how long I can carry on doing this free charity, and let's see what happens, because Yeah, let's see. Let's see, because somebody has to do something about it. Okay. Anyway, subscribe, like, join the membership if you want to check out these links, and I'll see you in the next video. And one more thing, if you are looking for NZD USD, I don't what do you say, record. I don't record NZD USD videos separately. So AUDUSD analysis is exactly the same as NZD USD. If you know trade NZD USD, watch my AUDUSD videos and you should be good to go. Bye bye.